Hey friends, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Bobby and I'm a professional detailer who's passionate about helping others in this amazing industry. If you've been with me for a while, you might notice things look and feel a little different today. This is more than just a fresh coat of wax on the channel. This is the start of a new chapter for me, and hopefully for us as a community. Over the past year, I've been doing a lot of thinking and a lot of living. Some of you know that I've faced my fair share of health challenges. Yet those experiences have really changed how I look at life, my business, and especially how I want to share what I've learned. Instead of just showing you how to make paint look perfect or how to get spotless interiors, which we will still do, I want to focus more on something that rarely, if ever, gets talked about in the detailing industry. Mindset, community, and the power of positivity. There's another reason I'm making this change, something I've noticed more and more over the last 2 years in the detailing world. And honestly, it's really started bothering me. I've seen an overabundance of toxicity that seems to be festering. Ego, backbiting, people claiming only they know what's best, or that only one set of products or techniques is worth using. And worse, we're turning on one another instead of supporting one another. Here's where I stand. I have my convictions. I believe in my work, the products I use, and my methods. And yes, sometimes I believe I'm right, but other times I'm wrong, and I'm not afraid to admit that. What works for me has been successful for many years, but that doesn't mean it will work for everybody. I'm not here to make acolytes or to set myself up as some guru or to chase being a big name YouTuber. That's not my why. My why is to share perspective, to offer ideas, experiences, and lessons that just might help someone else grow their craft, their mindset, or maybe even their business. What I truly care about is fostering growth and creating a space where we lift each other up instead of tearing each other down. My mission is simple. I want to serve the detailing community through education grounded in humility, respect, and gratitude. I truly believe that there's no single right way to detail a car. There's only the way that works best for you, your clients, and your circumstances. And that's exactly what I want this channel to stand for. Not competition, but collaboration. Not judgment, but encouragement. Here's what you can expect in this reboot. I'm going to continue to do hands-on tutorials, honest product reviews, hopefully some community spotlights, and definitely some behind-the-scenes business talk to help you guys grow. What I want you guys to realize is that for me, this isn't just my channel, it's ours. I want the comment section, any live streams I do, or social media posts to be safe, to learn, to share, and grow. If you've got a different perspective, so be it. If you have a technique, product tip, or story that's helped you, bring it here. If you're struggling, bring that too. We rise and we grow by lifting each other up. Now, I know the internet is full of channels that promise perfection, but honestly, that's not me anymore. I'm not chasing perfect. What I'm chasing is progress, connection, and impact. Here's something I want to say really clearly. I've been doing this for over 25 years, and yet I'm still learning. Every job, every conversation, shoot, every comment from one of you guys, it all teaches me something. Why I stay open-minded. It's why I don't shut down different opinions or dismiss someone else's process just because it's not how I personally would do things. Always be learning is something that I preach. And honestly, it's a mindset that I try really hard to live by. Now, whether you're brand new or you've been detailing even longer than I have, there's always room to grow. And when we learn together, we grow together. So, you're ready to detail from the inside out. You want to build your skills and change your mindset? If this is the kind of content that speaks to you, then would you guys do me a favor? Hit the subscribe button that's down here. Give this video a like, and most of all, join me on this journey. I really appreciate all of you being here. Thanks for believing in what we're building together. And, as I always say in my blog posts, this is just my 2 cents worth. I'm out.